In this video, we will show you how to replace your cup holder insert on the Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to your center console. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way into the center console area here and remove your original cup holder insert. Once you have that out of place, we'll continue on with the installation of our brand new cup holder insert. Take this and slide it right into position. We'll press it in as far as we can, give it a light tug to make sure it is properly secured. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.